Welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring the United Kingdom, a land rich in history, culture, and stunning landscapes. From iconic cities to picturesque countryside, the UK offers a diverse range of travel experiences. Let's dive into the 10 best places to visit across this captivating country. 1. London. London, the UK's bustling capital, is a must-visit for its iconic landmarks and vibrant atmosphere. Visit the historic Tower of London and see the Crown Jewels. Explore the British Museum, home to treasures like the Rosetta Stone. Don't miss Buckingham Palace, where you can witness the changing of the guard, and take a ride on the London Eye for breathtaking city views. 2. Edinburgh. Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland, is known for its stunning architecture and rich history. Explore the Edinburgh Castle, perched on a volcanic rock with panoramic views of the city. Stroll down the Royal Mile, lined with shops and historic sites. Visit Arthur's Seat, an ancient volcano offering a great hike and sweeping city views. 3. Bath. Bath is renowned for its well-preserved Roman baths and Georgian architecture. Visit the Roman baths to see ancient ruins and thermal springs. Explore the stunning Bath Abbey and walk through the picturesque Georgian streets, including the iconic Royal Crescent. Enjoy a relaxing dip at the Thermae Bath Spa, which uses natural thermal waters. 4. Oxford, home to one of the world's oldest universities, offers a blend of academic heritage and charming architecture. Tour the historic colleges, such as Christ Church and Magdalen College. Visit the Bodleian Library, a treasure trove of books and manuscripts. Stroll through the picturesque parks and along the River Cherwell. 5. Liverpool. Liverpool is famous for its maritime history and musical heritage. Explore the Beatles story, a museum dedicated to the legendary band. Visit the Albert Dock, home to museums like the Tate Liverpool and Merseyside Maritime Museum. Don't miss the stunning Liverpool Cathedral with its impressive Gothic architecture. 6. Stonehenge. Stonehenge is a prehistoric monument shrouded in mystery. Marvel at the massive stone circle and learn about its enigmatic origins at the Visitor Centre. The site offers fascinating insights into ancient engineering and ceremonial practices. A visit to Stonehenge is a unique experience, connecting you with history and the cosmos. 7. The Lake District. The Lake District is a picturesque region known for its lakes, mountains, and charming villages. Enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, boating, and cycling. Visit Lake Windermere, the largest lake in England, and explore the quaint towns of Ambleside and Keswick. The area's natural beauty has inspired many writers and poets. 8. Cardiff. Cardiff, the capital of Wales, offers a blend of history and modern attractions. Visit Cardiff Castle, a historic fortress with beautiful grounds. Explore the National Museum Cardiff, which houses art and natural history collections. Enjoy shopping and dining in the vibrant Cardiff Bay area and take a stroll along the waterfront. 9. York. York is a historic city with medieval charm and rich heritage. Walk along the ancient city walls for panoramic views. Explore York Minster, one of the largest cathedrals in Europe, and wander through the Shambles, a picturesque street with medieval buildings. Visit the National Railway Museum for a fascinating look at the history of rail transport. 10. Edinburgh's Highlands. The Highlands of Scotland offer dramatic landscapes and outdoor adventures. Explore Glencoe, known for its rugged beauty and hiking opportunities. Visit Loch Ness, famous for its mysterious monster, and take a boat tour to enjoy the stunning scenery. The Highlands are perfect for those seeking natural beauty and tranquility. Thanks for joining our tour of the UK's top 10 destinations. We hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible places. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content. Share your favourite UK destination in the comments below. See you on our next adventure.